This is my channel, and thank you for being here. Subscribe if you're interested. It's just my journey in through my crypto journey, right? Through my crypto journey. I'm checking, make sure I have sound. Let's see here. All right. Okay. So you look. Okay, here we go. We're on. Okay. Good. Just checking my sound. Testing. Okay, good. Just making sure I got sound good. Sometimes I've done the stream and no sound. All right. So this is my journey. I am new to crypto. I've only been in it for a couple of years, and there are so many professionals out there. I'm creating this channel to document my journey because my goal is to be, if you've ever followed Rich Dad Poor Dad, is to be in the fast lane, and in particular in regards to crypto, being $1 million trader, successful trader. I'm just really passionate about this journey. And the reason why I'm sharing it on YouTube is because I'm a part of an academy, right? So I am not a teacher. I'm just a student, right? And so I am on this journey, and I am a student inside of this academy. And so I am sharing the academy with as many people as I can. We do have an affiliate program as well. So basically, the academy is there's a couple different kind of memberships you can get. But basically it boils down to either like a $175 a month or $275 a month. For the $175 a month, basically get like one academy, like the digital DCX. Like for $175 a month, you could be a part of the DCX Academy, right? And I'll explain a little bit more about that. Or for $275 a month, you can have 3 academies, which is what I have, like Forex Academy, HFX Academy, and the DCX Academy. So I am just like getting my mind blown by all these different possible options to make money in this space. So if you notice, if you follow along with a lot of YouTubers, you'll find that most of them will have their own Patreon channel, right? Well, what's good about this is we can have our own kind of Patreon channel. Basically, for what I just said, we get access to over 200 different educators. Over 200 different educators, right? Plus a learning system, right? So let me show you the DCX. With the DCX, there's an exchange academy, right? Most of you watching this, if you haven't done any kind of trading yet, probably the first thing you should, and this is not advice, but probably the first thing you should do when you invest is just to buy something and hold it, something that you believe in, right? There's different kinds of investing and trading. Like with digital assets, there's basically exchange trading, like getting on Coinbase or Gemini or something like that and downloading the app and just buying something that you believe in, right? Then also too, there's the Leverage Academy. So this one right here, the Leverage Academy. This is what I'm currently working myself through. I am learning to leverage trade, and it is something that we should be very respectful about and learn. So this is one of my accounts. To me, it's a small account, but I'd rather do a small real money account than a fake money account. Fake money accounts, it just, I want to feel that pain of losing, and I want to feel that pain of the success of winning. So it just helps me, even if it's not a lot of money, but just that I'm working with real money. It's helping me actually learn and make the best decisions that I can. So right now I have 2 different leverage trading accounts that I'm working with. And usually that's when recommended sometimes because we can go long and short. We right now, I'm in what's called a long position because I believe that the price of Ethereum is going to go up in the short term, at least, right? But then if in the flip side, if we believe that the price is going to go down, we can put our money on sell or short. that means that the price is going to go down and will benefit, right? So that's just the basics, right? I don't want to get too much into that, but the academy, these academies, let's just take a look at the how it actually looks for you, so you can kind of get actual up close. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see here, back. All right, hang on one second. Let's see here. Okay, I just want to see if I can get a. There you go. Enroll. Here you go. This is what I was looking for. Okay. All right. So this is actually what your back office would look like if you were part of the academy, right? So you can learn. This is what's great about this is you learn at your own pace. Everybody has different paces. We all have different obligations in our day, right? You can see right where I've left off to go next, right? Now, on top of the structured learning, look at this. Go live. See, look at my cursor. I'm going to click go live, right? And I'm going to show you what access you have to the live teachers. It's not just recordings of things, right? We have actual, look at this. We have actual currently just popped on randomly. We have 2 live teachers that are currently live right now, right? And they're teaching something, right? So look at this, okay? So you can see this teacher's teaching something. You can just hop on. This is one thing that I really love to do. I like to sometimes just jump on some of these teachings, and then you can interact and ask them questions and stuff like that. It just helps so much. I've only been in the academy for about 5-6 months now, and I'm just so pumped. I've realized how much more there is to know, and the more you know, the better decisions we can make. So I'm just so excited about this journey, right? Just so excited about this journey. If you're interested in joining the academy, you can, there's a link inside the description of this video, right? And you can sign up. $175 gets you 1 academy, the DCX Academy, if you're interested. And then the other one gets you 3 academies. Okay, so just depend on whatever you're interested in, right? So depend on whatever you're interested in. So 1 academy or 3 academies. 1 academy, you will get the DCX academies. If you did the elite version, which is what I did, you will get the Forex, the HFX, and the DCX. All right, if you're interested in that, that's what you would get. All right. And you learn, and that's how, and you learn together. Now, part of one thing that I love about this, just one tool, okay, one tool is what we have is called Swipe Coin, right? And this has, oh my gosh, this has helped me. It has saved me money. It has made me money. Look at, we get this, this comes with your program. It's just part of the deal. Get good buy and sell signals with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then also other currencies too. This is just, see all these things over here on the side? These are all tools as well that you have access to. It's ridiculous how much, and I don't even know how to use everything yet. And I'm still learning. I'm a big time student. And this is just this video was just me sharing with you my journey, right? So if you want to learn, because I do believe one thing I will share with you is let's see here, CoinGecko is, this is what the reason why I feel so passionate about this. This is just an overall look at the whole market cap, a whole market industry. Now, the whole cryptocurrency market cap, look at this, is 2.49 trillion. I remember looking at this when it was under 1 trillion, right? So when this gets up to, I mean, a lot of experts predict that it's going to go up to 10 trillion, 20 trillion. You know, Bitcoin is going to 10x. Ethereum is going to 10x. I really believe that in my heart. So that's just me. It doesn't mean don't take that as advice. But I do, my target, my personal target for Ethereum is 35,000. That's my personal target. My personal target for Bitcoin is about 450,000. That's just my target. That's what I'm, and I don't have a timeline on that. It could be 3 years. It could be 10 years. But that's my target. That's my goal. That's what I'm shooting for. Is I'm buying and, trading and all that kind of stuff, right? So, and as it goes up, the thing is that these prices go up and down. Now look at this. This is a look at Bitcoin on the weekly view, right? So this is a Bitcoin on the weekly view, right? So prices go up, prices go down. My goal is, from what I've learned, is the people that are really good at it, you can make money along the way, whether the price goes up or down, right? So this is Bitcoin on the weekly. So I'm just break it down. Let's get down to the daily, right? Okay. Let's break it down a little further, see what's happening. Let's get down to the 6 hour, okay, 3 hour. This is, okay, Bitcoin on the 3 hour, all right. Each one of these candles, these are called candles, right? I'm going to take some of these indicators off so we can see it better. Okay, now these are called candles, right? Actually, they're called Heikinishi candles, right? So, and depending on the time frame, if you're looking at these time frames up here, right now it's set for 3 hour. Each one represents 3 hours. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Now, what I like to do just for fun, I live in Arizona, and boy, right around 1 o'clock, which is right where this little red dot line is here, that's right where a lot of markets are open. So like at 5 o'clock Pacific time, Tokyo, okay, well, 3 o'clock during the day, Sydney opens up. Think about the big markets. Sydney opens up. 5 o'clock Tokyo, 6 o'clock Hong Kong, 11 o'clock London, 12 o'clock Frankfurt, and 1 o'clock Munich, Germany opens up, right? Now, man, so the price, what I've noticed, so I'm kind of watching this, the price usually does something. It's either going to get here and it's going to go up, or it'll break down, one or the other. So we'll see what happens, right? I'm watching it. We'll see what happens. But this will get us right into about 1 o'clock right here, 1 o'clock. I'm really going to be paying attention to that. See what happens here. So you can break it down even further. 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. It really gives us a little minute detail. And we can even break it down to the 3 minute, the 1 minute. Look at this. Look at this. Each one of these now, really blow it up like a magnifying glass. Isn't that fascinating? Look at that. Boom, right? Okay. Woo. It's dropping. Okay. I just don't want to get stopped out. I hope it stays going. So I have a stop. I'm watching this now because it's getting close to my stop profit. So I have a stop profit. I'm not sure the percentage on that. Let's see here. I have, about 1,000. Let's see. I'm going to do, one thing I don't like about Phoenix is they don't list the percentage of your profit or loss. So 20.35 divided by 1,000. So it's only like a 2% profit. So I don't really, but you know what? I'll take it. I'll take a profit, right? I'm learning to take small profits. They take small profits from us all the time. So if it goes down to 36.29, it'll take my stop profit will hit there. Now if this one goes down to 36.19, I'll have about a 17% profit on this one. 0.01174038 ETH would be the profit. This is a small account. I have about $250 in this account and about $1,000 in this account. So, but I also have an account that I buy with Spot. I have, I don't really want to say, I just want to give you more of the percentages, kind of like, so my percentage is about half my cryptos in Bitcoin and Ethereum. 25% is more like mid cap, like Polkadot's one that I'm really passionate about. I can share that with you here. This is a Polkadot chart on the day. So this is Polkadot. Okay, that looks nice, right? So it's about $41 right there, right? My average entry is way lower than that. Now, I also do like a higher risk option, right? So like I take some money and I put it in something that's higher risk, smaller market cap. I've got in I put a buy in right around 0. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Right at, look at this. Now, because I was so focused in on everything, this is where I got in at on Shiba. Look at this price entry right here. I got in about 0.00000688. That was my entry here. It's about 5x right now, 5 times my entry right now. And who knows what could do more. Well, a lot of people don't like this coin, but I don't care what a lot of people think. It's an asset, and I'm not attached emotionally to it one way or another. What I do know is what I've put into it so far has 5x, and it has room for more potential. So I'm watching this. So I put some interest in there, right? Another thing I'm looking at, and it is XRP. So this is one that I'm not invested in, but I'm hoping to get. My goal is to get in before this thing blows up, because I think it has potential to do something. But I'm not in it yet. I'm just looking at it. I am in Polkadot. I am in Bitcoin. I am in Ethereum. Okay. So watching this. So what I'm really watching with Ethereum tonight is I'm watching this. I'm watching this time frame right here. I love watching. I marked it off here. I love watching this time frame because there's usually a lot of movement right around here, right around here. So, right. I may just let this run a little bit. We'll see what happens. Yeah. It's always funner when it doesn't get stopped out. But let's see what happens. See what happens here. Okay. Either way, it'd be okay. I'll take a profit. But I'd like to stay in and ride it up because I feel like it may ride up, right? Okay. Right. Okay. So I'm going to let it roll with that. Okay. I'm going to test something out here while I got you on the stream. Let's see here.